Hello friends, today we will see fool's mate in chess. This is one of the fastest checkmate in chess. In this, checkmate happens in 2 moves. This checkmate can only be done by blacks. If white starts the game with 2 blunders, only then black will have a chance to do fastest checkmate. Let's see on the board. White pawn of f2 will move to f3 as shown on the screen. Then black pawn will move from e7 to e5. Next, white pawn will move from g2 to g4. And this is the blunder for white team because black queen will move to h4, resulting in a checkmate. And this is the reason why this is called fool's mate. I have summarized the steps on screen. Please go through them. That's all for today. Have a nice time.